Hi, it's Andrew from Fine & Country. I have a special property for you today. It's a 5-bedroom, 17th century home. We've got beautiful gardens, 15.5 acres, some young woodland. We've also got fishing rights on the Tamar. I can't wait to show you more. So come with me and let's explore it together. So welcome inside the property. For those extra cosy evenings, we've got the Snug, complete with a very, very powerful wood-burning stove as well. The free-flowing Lawhitton area kitchen dining room is the main social part of the property. It's got lots of space, embracing modern life, where socialising and integrating is very much a key component of day-to-day life, and wonderful views out to the garden. There are areas designated for formal gardens that have been developed and well manicured over many years. There's a wildlife pond and also a variety of shrubs, bushes and large imposing trees, including beech and birch. The whole setting and topography of the grounds attract a rich haven of wildlife, much of which can be seen as you walk through the gardens. During the time the owners have been here, what they have done is planted this young broadleaf woodland under a special scheme, preserving the biodiversity that sits in this beautiful environment. So in addition to the approximate 4.5 acres of young woodland, we now find ourselves at the top of the perimeter of the boundary. And what you can see now, I genuinely believe, is one of the very best inland views you will find on the Cornwall-Devon border. There's access to the road, but in addition, there's a track that leads down to a lane where, on horseback, you can enter the lower Tamar Valley. So here we are in the productive garden. So for those of you that are green-fingered and want to be able to grow fine produce up through the soil here at Dewcombe, it's something you can certainly do. Part of the field is being designated entirely for that purpose. So we've got a number of beds here and also a polytunnel and a fruit cage that is included in the sale. And there's even a space to have a play, whatever your age. I absolutely love this very nice entrance space. It's utilised for a number of purposes at present, for making music, and also there's a desk enabling those who work from home to sit very comfortably. So now we're into the lounge, and you'll notice straight away the standout feature is this lovely fireplace. Set on a raised hearth, we have a wood-burning stove and a clome oven recess. Many of these rooms have the benefit of a window seat where you can catch a glimpse of the lovely gardens. There are 2 staircases which ascend to the first floor, this being the principal one, which leads up to 3 bedrooms. The main bedroom, as seen here, has the benefit of a wooden floor, again a window seat, which encapsulates the lovely view of the garden. This room also encompasses an ensuite shower room WC. One of the benefits of Dewcombe is you've got a wide range of outbuildings, from purpose-built modern workshop to a Victorian-style barn with wonderful brick quoins and lintels. The building behind me has perpetual planning consent to be converted into a 2-bedroom home. Our clients were able to refine the planning consent 2 years ago to tailor it to suit their own specific needs. At the present time, the barns offer a great opportunity for the incoming purchaser to convert them and create ancillary accommodation by the way of extended family or potentially as holiday occupation. The remaining barns are also very attractive, comprising of a single-storey traditional built barn and also a 3-bay tractor shed as well. The Grade 2 listed home has a wealth of features, one of which is the intriguing former external circular staircase, which is believed to have served the property many centuries ago. So there you are, you've seen all of the qualities of this fantastic home. If this is a lifestyle you're looking for, then look no further. Please do contact Fine & Country. We'd love to tell you more about this beautiful home, and please do contact us on 01566 771919. Thank you.